Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a fake office background during a Microsoft Teams meeting. For instance, we are currently on Microsoft Teams, and let's say we were to start an instant meeting, so I'll select Meet Now by tapping on the camera icon in the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to tap on Start Meeting. After selecting Start Meeting, once you're in the Microsoft meeting, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner of the menu, and you're going to tap on the three dots that says More Action. After doing that, you're going to see the option Video Effects and Settings. You're going to tap on that. Then from here, you can select any one of these backgrounds. So let's say we were to select this one. We can tap on Preview, and you can see how it looks right there. If you like it, you can tap on Apply and turn on Video, and you can see how it looks. And if it is a case that you would like to upload a background, you can also do that. So let's say, for instance, we were to use one of these images. So let's say, for example, this one right here. I'll simply save the image. So I'll right click and save the image. Then I'm going to go back into Microsoft Teams, and I'm just going to tap on Add New. After tapping on Add New, from there, once the image is available, you can see it is in WebP, so that one will not be able to use. So I need to get one which is PNG. So let's say, for example, I were to use this image right here. I'm just going to right click and save the image. After I've saved the image, I'll go back into Microsoft Teams. You'll tap on Add New. Then from there, you can select the image that you'd like to use. After you have selected the image, from there, you can tap on it. Then you will tap on Apply, and you can see how it looks right there. I could also select a different image, and I could tap on Apply, and you can see how it looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.